Here in Wisconsin, we take a closer look at the true source of Primal Eats honey products, raw and unprocessed from the hive.
Pure and raw. The honey that we have in our operation here is all raw, unprocessed, out of the hive, through the extractor, and into the bottle without heating, without straining or filtering out any of the pollen. Let me open this box up here now to give you a good idea. When we talk about raw honey, what we mean by raw honey. In other words, these hives right here, I have a cover on it, we have an inner cover. You see on this inner cover here, we have a propolis trap where the bees actually fill this slots up with propolis. Then underneath here is the honey.
Containing around 22 different amino acids along with many other health benefits, raw honey is something you might want to put in your shopping basket.
Amino acids are required for our body to be able to break down the foods that we eat. When you pasteurize honey, you kill a lot of the good healthy stuff in there, like the enzymes, which is the good healthy part of the honey.
Unpasteurized, unprocessed, Primal Eats honey. Feed your instinct.